Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get more free credits in Emergent AI. So along with the paid options available if you need more, this is helpful if you want to continue building projects without running out of credits too quickly. So to begin, open the official Emergent AI website using the link in the description below. And after creating a new account, you will automatically receive 10 free credits. So these credits refresh every month so you can continue testing the platform without paying. You can also earn credits through referrals, so click the GIF icon beside buy more credits and share your referral link. So new users receive 5 credits and you can earn 50 credits when they purchase their first subscription. So for additional credits, click buy more credits at the top of the page and you will see 2 billing options here. It is monthly and annually. And under monthly billing, the 7-day standard pass costs $1 and it gives you a 95% discount. The regular standard plan costs $20, while the pro plan costs $180. So under annual billing, the standard plan costs $17, which can save you $40, and then the pro plan can cost $161, which can save you $400. So compare the options and choose the plan that matches how many credits that you need. So those are the free and paid ways to get more credits in Emergent AI. You can start with the monthly free credits and referral program, then upgrade later if you need more credits for bigger projects. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.